To manage DigitalOcean Managed MongoDB, start by understanding the basics of MongoDB and DigitalOcean. MongoDB is a popular NoSQL database that stores data in a JSON-like format, while DigitalOcean is a cloud platform that provides scalable and secure infrastructure for applications. First, create a DigitalOcean account and set up a new project. Then, navigate to the DigitalOcean marketplace and search for Managed MongoDB. Click on the result. Then click the Create Managed MongoDB button to create a new cluster. Next, configure your cluster settings, including the cluster name, node size, and database version. Choose a node size that suits your application needs, and select the latest version of MongoDB. You can also choose to enable authentication and authorization for your cluster. After creating your cluster, connect to it using the MongoDB connection string. You can find this string in the DigitalOcean dashboard, under the Connection Details tab. Use this string to connect to your cluster from your application or MongoDB client. To manage your cluster, use the DigitalOcean dashboard to monitor performance, scale nodes, and configure backups. You can also use the MongoDB Atlas interface to manage your database, including creating and managing collections, indexes, and users. Best practices for managing DigitalOcean Managed MongoDB include regularly backing up your data, monitoring performance and scaling your cluster as needed, and implementing authentication and authorization to secure your database. Additionally, use indexing to improve query performance, and avoid using the root user for everyday operations. To scale your cluster, use the DigitalOcean dashboard to add or remove nodes as needed. You can also use autoscaling to automatically adjust the size of your cluster based on performance metrics. To back up your data, use the DigitalOcean Backup feature, which provides automated backups of your cluster. In conclusion, managing DigitalOcean Managed MongoDB requires understanding the basics of MongoDB and DigitalOcean, creating and configuring a cluster, connecting to the cluster, managing performance and security, and following best practices for scalability and backup. By following these steps and using the features and tools provided by DigitalOcean, you can effectively manage your managed MongoDB cluster and ensure the reliability and performance of your application.